What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and today I'm teaching you why you might want to use a dual footprint. So let's get into it. You'll have to excuse my voice, I have a bit of a cold at the moment. In a recent project I did, I needed two identical boards with the exception of the connectors. The way I solved that problem is by stacking the footprints on top of each other. I'll get into exactly how I did that a bit later, but this is actually more common than you might think, especially with the ongoing component shortages plaguing the industry. Most of the electronic components we use on a daily basis come from Asia, with more than 30% originating from China alone. Within the last few years, they have experienced unprecedented lockdowns and delays, resulting in a shortage of electronic components around the world. While the industry is beginning to heal, we're still a long way off from a stable supply chain. One of the ways engineers deal with this problem is by implementing more than one size or style of a part in the same space. That way, if one part suddenly becomes unavailable, it's easy to switch to the other part without losing time designing a new board. For example, if I use an ideal 603 resistor on a PCB, but I know it's at risk of becoming unavailable, I can easily design in a 402 footprint, either underneath it or next to it. This is why you might see empty pads on a PCB. Now, the reason I used a dual footprint was not to mitigate the risk of parts, but to avoid the cost of making two different boards. Both are valid reasons to use dual footprints. The easiest way to do this in Flux is to simply drag one part over another. If you need this to be repeatable, we can open a new project and align the footprints like we want. These two parts are actually the same, just in two different packages. When we're happy with it, just name it appropriately and publish it to the library. This makes it a sub-layout which we can pull into any project. If you want to learn more about sub-layouts, I'll leave a link in the description. Now the two footprints behave as one entity and we can use it as many times as we need. Alright, that's it for this video. Give it a like if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content like this every week.